Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to upload new fonts. I'm very excited about this. Uploading new fonts to Photoshop, you could probably even upload them to Illustrator, but the main thing is that we're gonna upload them to your user profile on your computer. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna search for some new fonts. We're gonna go to Google Chrome, and I've already opened some, but I will go here on my own for you. And we're going to open up Google. Oops, looks like I need to sign in. And we're going to look at DaFont. That's just one website. There's plenty of other websites that have free fonts, but we're going to go to DaFont. Why? Because we know it works. These are recently added. You can go to any of the recently added fonts. I've tried to click on some specific things in here and I wasn't able to download them unless I became a member. You can do that if you want, but I'm just going to do a search for movie fonts. Found one pretty nice that would work for our advanced computer graphics class. Is working on 1950B movie posters, so I felt like that would go really well with that. So we're going to hit download. You can see right here that it's downloaded. We're going to go to your file folder and we're going to go to your downloads on your computer. So let's click on your downloads. And we're going to try and find that font. It should be a zip file. Usually when fonts download, they'll download to a zip file. So we're going to scroll down until we see where the font is. Right here, Ed Wood Movies. We're going to open that up. And this is our font. So let's double click and open it up. That's what it looks like. All you need to do, super simple, is hit install. We're going to double click. And I had a little dialog box that came up. Unfortunately, it came up to my other screen and I clicked on it before I was able to show you. So let's go ahead and minimize, and we'll minimize just in case it didn't upload. I'm going to minimize Google Chrome, and we're going to come over here. I'm going to type something new. And then highlight that font. And now I'm going to click right here, and we're going to see if our movie poster came up. And it might be under, we're going to look alphabetically. We're going to look for M for movie. And it doesn't look like it's there for movie. So let's take a look at, it's probably Ed Wood Movies. So we'll look under E. And here it is, Ed Wood Movies. So I'm going to click on that. And now we have a new font to use, something. Swamp Thing. Okay, so you have new fonts that you guys can download and use for your 1950B movie poster, or for if you're in my beginning computer graphics class, you can use it for your type project or anything else we're working on. I hope this helps.